Hi, welcome back to my vlog. In this video, I want to talk about meals. How many meals you eat a day? How many? 1, 2, 3. Most people we eat 3 meals a day, right? 3 meals a day. In general, there are 7, can be 8, 9, 10. Okay, 7 meals of the day. Breakfast mostly. This one is not breakfast, so breakfast. You eat at like 7, around about 7. The first meal you eat, the first meal you eat, like we call it breakfast, 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 and then after that you eat brunch. Brunch is like a breakfast plus lunch. So brunch, you can say it also second breakfast. And then around about 11 a.m. you can like a tea snack. We call it 11s. 11s. Okay, like sis, z 11s. And then about 12 lunch, like 12 to 1 lunch, afternoon already. Then about 2 to 4 we eat afternoon tea or like a snack. You can use snack or afternoon tea. And then dinner. What time do you eat your dinner? After that, before we go to bed, for example, if you have your dinner early, maybe you might feel hungry before you go to bed. So at the time, you want to have some like a fruit or maybe bread or something else, like a light dinner. Okay, light dinner. We call it before we head to bed, before we go to bed and sleep. If you feel hungry at the time when you eat, we call it supper. Supper before you head to bed. Okay, so these are 7 meals of the day. So you can tell me in the comment how many meals you eat a day. Bye bye.